So hi everybody, a very good morning. It's close to 8:50 by the watch. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of Armdecor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor, anti solutions. A great start, a great day to chirping of birds and dogs around me and stuff, and beautiful weather in Delhi. Lots of flora and fauna. It's super fun, and I'm coming on the weekend, and I've been in and out of the hospitals and stuff. So I'm back to a share which is about mindset and not absorbing to what experts have to say unless and until you've had a good medical history with them and they have a good track record of healing and treating people and stuff like that. Okay, so I'm not saying that all doctors and medical experts and therapists and everything is wrong, but I'm just saying that taking opinions and everything helps. So the reason I'm sharing this post is that I saw so many people in the hospital with their families and children and grandparents and stuff like that, and I realized that one of the hospital which was not a favorite of mine definitely has some good doctors. So apparently it's not all the hospitals which are working commercially. They also have good doctors in those hospitals and stuff. Having an experience where you're being fleeced and given a wrong diagnosis is unfortunate. So what makes sense is to avoid being in really expensive hospitals unless you have no options, and they are the best doctors and they've had a speedy recovery and stuff. But the point is to not entertain anybody else's thoughts around their own personal experiences and linking it to yourself. So I'm giving you an example. I mean, I've had neck cervical. So for the last 1 month, hi sweetheart, for the last 1 month, I was not sleeping well, and I was getting this sound in my ear. And I would watch TV. I still watch TV. I get this sound. When I'm talking, I get the sound and stuff. So my doctor had nailed it to be neck cervical, and it was under control and stuff. When the medicines reacted, I was rushed to a different hospital, and unfortunately, I met a pretty conservative, or a pretty, I would say in Hindi, a lallu kind of a doctor. For him, I think I'd shared, I was kind of overexcited, and I didn't seem like a normal specimen to him because he was expecting me to be a rondu and something. And I walked out saying, you know what, you've given me the medicines and stuff like that, but you don't expect me to be crying and complaining and falling flat on the floor, because you get those kind of patients here from villages and stuff like that. Anyways, the medicines continued. I went back to my original doctor in the same hospital. Apparently, he's a good doctor. He's got a sense of humor and everything. And he advised me to two tests. So there was some curiosity, and there was this concern in my house about it. And believe me, when I went in to do one test of mine, the doctor himself started putting in words in my head. I mean, he was just doing his routine job, but his questions were, when I wanted to get up before the test, which is a 40 minutes test, I wanted to use the restroom because my concern was that I shouldn't be feeling like using it. I had just had water in his office and stuff. His assistant's words were, "Are you feeling anxious? Anxiety हो रही है आपको? या आपको डर लग रहा है?" And I looked at him and I said, "Do you think I'm going to be? Do you think I'm scared? I just want to use the restroom." In English, two questions he asked me: "Are you scared? And you got some anxiety here?" And I thought about it, that I'm in my full elements. I'm willing to do this test and stuff. Yes, I did have a replay of some of the times I've spent with my own people and friends and family and people I work with and stuff. But the point is, on the whole, I was not really perturbed, or I was not really feeling this emotion. So the test went in, and I think he kind of lost track because he forgot to take off one of the equipment from over my eyes and stuff. I felt like a Batman there. You got to kind of take care of all. You've got to take care of the screens, and you have to kind of do this optical illusion test and stuff like that. I came out and I wasn't split. So when I came out and I walked out, he asked me the same question: "Chakkar aa raha hai aapko? Are you feeling this giddiness and stuff like that?" And I looked at it and I said, "You know what? You don't know. I'm already used to it and stuff." Okay. So the point is this: that if it was someone else, someone who's not educated, someone who's not informed, and someone who doesn't know that sometimes they put these words in your head where you will react, or you will come out with this behavior, or you'll say something like, हाँ बहुत ज़्यादा anxiety हो रही है, हाँ I'm feeling too anxious, I'm so scared and stuff like that. So then they take you to a different zone altogether and they treat you and stuff like that. So the point is, I think the positive mindset also helped, and I've been given a few